Hey guys, so we're looking at BoA's album Better. Cover's definitely beautiful. So I'm already anticipating gorgeous photos. So we have like a little bookmark. Ooh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's so nice. And then this is a beautiful pattern for a bookmark. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, look how pretty that outfit is. Ooh, look at these like all moments from her career. Oh, it has a fourth album, My Name. Oh. Hurricane Venus. I own that. Well, I bought the digital copy. BoA was one of the first K-pop idols I ever saw. I actually thought she was a Western artist because I think the first song of hers I ever heard was Energetic. I think that's what it's called. Something like that. Oh, I love that little throwback moment. I love the short hair too. Alright, now I have all of our goodies, but let's look at the CD first. CD. Then we've got photo card. And this is just some ad garbage. And then let's see what's in here. A few postcards. Gorgeous. Really, really like this one the most of the three. Beautiful. But there it all is. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Like, subscribe, and share if you want. And until the next video, bye guys.